Now it's time to head over to Charlotte, North Carolina for our first stop at the NRA convention, and we weren't disappointed in the least. Blaser USA continues to make an impression on the hunting world with the introduction of their awesome R8. You can bet it was turning heads at the show.
For more than 60 years, Blaser has set the standard worldwide as a leader in rifle and shotgun product development and design. And at this year's NRA exhibit, visitors to the booth were given a close-up look at just what innovation means, Blaser style.
We're an innovative company. We're trying to break through into the U.S. market, showing people that the new innovation actually does work, the interchangeability of our products, to new design in rifle and shotgun both.
From the first handmade rifle they made more than 60 years ago to the all-new bolt-action R8, Blaser rifles offer shooters versatility and accuracy beyond belief. And that accuracy all starts with the best German research and development.
In Germany, the factory, they have around 20 engineers that are constantly working on new things, bettering old products, just overall making the gun safer, better, better handling, better shooting.
Looking for proof? Blaser took a classic rifle and totally redesigned it. The result is their bolt-action R8. The R8 is designed with a totally innovative, futuristic bolt action. You won't find any rifle on the market that shoots quite like this one. With a removable trigger mechanism, cold hammer forged barrel, and Blaser's interchangeable barrel design, you're looking at a rifle unlike anything you've ever fired before. The R8 is fast, it's accurate, it's safe and reliable. It's totally huntable and totally versatile. This is the all-new bolt-action R8, and this is what Blaser is all about.
Really, I think the thing that really sets Blaser apart as a company is the painstaking efforts we put into manufacturing every single part.
With a variety of bolt-action R8 rifles hitting the market this year, Blaser isn't just sitting on their lead in the hunting and outdoor sports industries, they're changing the game for good.